The gaming world is evolving and augmented reality is at the forefront. But why is AR the game changer of 2023? Hello and welcome back to Usher. And today we are going to talk about augmented reality and how it is revolutionizing the gaming industry. Do you know that by the end of 2023, there will be 1.4 billion AR device users, and 70% of the technological leaders believe that AR will surpass the VR market in revenues. This is attributed to AR's accessibility via smartphones, making it more widespread than VR. AR experiences are 200% more engaging and they deliver double the engagement rate in comparison to non-AR counterparts. Brands who have incorporated AR into their business have seen a significant rise in their profits. The AR market is expected to reach $50 billion by 2024. And there are numerous consumers, approximately 71% of the consumers feel that they shop more if they used AR. So it is pretty significant that AR boosts customer loyalty and confidence. Incorporating AR into your game can increase user engagement, offer a unique selling proposition, boost in-app purchases, increase your game virality, and ultimately can increase your profit. So let's talk about the top 6 gaming companies who have embraced AR today and see how these features have actually impacted their growth. First, we have Pokémon Go. Pokémon Go uses geolocation to place Pokémon in a real-world location, leading to massive outdoor exploration and increased user engagement. Next, we have Harry Potter Wizards Unite. It incorporates real-world landmarks as in-game locations, making players explore their surroundings more and leading to higher user retention. Third is AR Sports Basketball. It uses phone cameras to create a virtual basketball hoop in any setting, making the game more accessible and increasing daily active users. Next, we have Beard Pong AR. They use AR to set up a virtual beard pong table, leading to increased user sessions as players can play anytime, anywhere. Next in line is Shark in the Park. It overlays underwater creatures in parks, increasing user engagement as players explore parks to find new creatures. Last but not least, Dark Subject 1. It incorporates real-world surroundings to set up mysteries and clues, leading to longer session times and higher user engagement. So, the future of gaming is here and it's augmented. Dive into the world of AR gaming and experience the revolution. Don't just play game, live in it.